Welcome to this review of Bit2C, a cryptocurrency exchange that has garnered attention from traders looking for a straightforward, secure platform to buy, sell, and trade crypto. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, Bit2C provides an intuitive interface designed to make cryptocurrency trading accessible for all. After signing up, you'll be able to easily navigate the exchange and start managing your digital assets, all while enjoying its robust security features. When you first log into Bit2C, you'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly dashboard that showcases all of your active trades, balance, and recent transactions. Setting up an account is simple, and it only takes a few steps. You can create your account by providing a valid email address and choosing a secure password. After registration, you'll be asked to complete verification steps to ensure your account is safe from fraud. These steps include confirming your identity and securing your account with two-factor authentication 2FA. Once your account is set up, you can deposit funds to begin trading. Bit2C supports several cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and others. Depositing crypto is as easy as sending your chosen coin to the provided address. If you're looking to deposit fiat, you can do so via various payment methods, depending on your location, including bank transfers and credit card payments. Trading on Bit2C is straightforward. You can exchange your crypto for other digital assets, and the platform offers real-time charts and tools to help you make informed decisions. The trading interface is simple yet effective, with the ability to set stop-loss orders, view price charts, and execute trades quickly. Bit2C offers both spot and margin trading for more advanced users, providing flexibility for those who want to take more control of their positions. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. When it comes to fees, Bit2C's structure is competitive. Trading fees are fairly standard for the crypto industry. But Bit2C stands out with its relatively low withdrawal fees and zero deposit fees for certain cryptocurrencies. It's important to always check the fee structure before making any transactions, as they can vary depending on the cryptocurrency you're using. The security of your funds is a top priority on Bit2C. The platform uses encryption to protect user data and implements industry-standard practices such as two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection to your account. Additionally, Bit2C stores the majority of its funds in cold wallets, ensuring that your crypto is secure from online threats. Bit2C also offers 24/7 customer support to assist with any issues or questions you may have. Whether you're dealing with a technical problem or need help with a transaction, the support team is just a message away. The platform's knowledge base is also a helpful resource for self-guided assistance, featuring articles and guides on common problems. The user experience is designed with simplicity in mind. Even if you've never used a crypto exchange before, you should feel comfortable navigating Bit2C's platform. Its intuitive interface and easy-to-follow instructions make it easy for anyone to get started with crypto trading, regardless of their experience level. If you're looking for a reliable and secure cryptocurrency exchange, Bit2C is a platform worth considering. Whether you're new to crypto or have experience with other exchanges, Bit2C offers a safe, accessible environment for all your crypto trading needs. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more detailed reviews of crypto exchanges, and hit the like button if you found this video helpful.